Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the raspberry easily in Heartopia in just a few simple steps. Raspberry can be collected directly from raspberry plants that grows naturally on the map, and the location is around the over here, from here, like this. The locations is around the residential area, starting from behind house 1 to house 5 over here until and around the windmill area over here. You will see raspberry bushes scattered around this area, and they are easy to spot once you're nearby, like this. The plant looks like this, and then just approach the plant and then just tap on the pick icon to collect it, like this. It's no tool, just super easy. And then next, just find the another plant over here, and then just repeat these steps to another plant. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can get raspberry easily in Heartopia. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.